Hi, welcome to Nagesh Biology online classes. Those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to get newly uploading videos. The topic sexual reproduction in flowering plants. In this chapter, we are going to learn total different types of numerical questions, whatever given in previous competitive exams. The first question: how many male gametes produced from one single pollen grain? In all plants, the one single pollen grain produces two male gametes only. For example, once if you will see, this is pollen grain. Pollen grain, it undergoes mitosis division, produces two cells. The one cell is called vegetative cell. Another cell is called generative cell. That generative cell, it produces two male gametes. How many megaspore mother cells are required to produce 200 eggs? Here in angiosperms, one single megaspore mother cell produces one egg cell, because megaspore mother cell, it undergoes meiosis to produce 4 megaspores. In monosporic type, 3 megaspores degenerates. One single functional megaspore enlarges and produces one egg cell. But here the functional megaspore develops into embryo sac. That is otherwise known as female gametophyte. This functional megaspore develops into embryo sac that consists only one egg cell. So here it is MMC, megaspore mother cell. It undergoes meiosis. One MMC produces only one egg cell. So here in the question, how many megaspore mother cell required to produce 200 eggs? One MMC produces one egg cell. 200 egg cells produced from 200 megaspore mother cells. Third question: how many cells present in completely developed male gametophyte? Only 3 cells. So here one important thing: completely developed male gametophyte, it has 3 cells. One large cell is called vegetative cell. 2 cells are called gamete cells, but total cells are 3. A angiosperm plant has 42 chromosomes in microspore mother cell. The number of chromosomes in endosperm will be chromosomes number 42 chromosomes in microspore mother cell. Microspore mother cell is diploid. To n equal to 42 chromosomes. That is given already in the question. N equal to 42 by 2. Then you will get n value, haploid, 21 chromosomes. But in the question they are asking about the number of chromosomes will be in endosperm. Endosperm, that is 3n. So 3n, 3 as it is I wrote here. N place I substituted the value 21 chromosomes. 3 into 21, 63 chromosomes will be endosperm of that plant. Next question: if there are 4 microspore mother cells in anther, what will be the number of pollen grains produced? Already they are given in the question. Anther has 4 microspore mother cells. The total number of pollen grains produced from that particular anther. So once you see here, this is anther. This anther, it has 4 microspore mother cells. One microspore mother cell, after meiosis, it produces 4 pollen grains. That is called pollen tetrad. So the 4 microspore mother cells produces the how many pollen grains? The cross multiplication. 4 into 4, 16 pollen grains produced from that entire anther. Next question: the root cell of angiosperm plant has 42 chromosomes. What would be the number of chromosomes in the synergid cell? Here angiosperm root cell has 42 chromosomes. The root cell is diploid, 2n condition. 2n, 42 chromosomes. Root cell is diploid state. You have to find out haploid. N equal to 42 by 2. So here 21 you will get, that is haploid set of chromosomes. But here they are asking about number of chromosomes in synergid. Synergid also haploid cell. So here haploid value already we got 21 chromosomes. So here synergid also consists 21 chromosomes. The next, a fertilized egg of a plant has 40 chromosomes. The number of chromosomes present in the microspore mother cell. Here they are given in the question fertilized egg. Fertilized egg means we have to consider as zygote, because after fertilization egg cell converts into zygote. The zygote is diploid. The number of chromosomes 40. Already this value given in the question only. Zygote 2n 40 chromosomes. So the how many chromosomes will be in the microspore mother cell? 2n also equal to 40, because microspore mother cell 40 chromosomes. Megaspore mother cell also consists 40 chromosomes. Mother cell diploid. The next question, ploidy level of nucellus, endosperm, polar nuclei, megaspore mother cell, female gametophyte respectively. They are asking about different cells of the ploidy. Nucellus ploidy, that will be 2n, diploid. Endosperm ploidy 3n. Polar nuclei ploidy, that is haploid. Megaspore mother cell 2n, diploid. Female gametophyte n. But here endosperm of all angiosperms, that will be triploid only. Endosperm will be in gymnosperm, that is haploid, because in gymnosperm endosperm formed before fertilization, but in all angiosperms endosperm will be 3n, triploid state. Next question, for the formation of 50 zygotes in a tobacco plant, the minimum number of meiotic divisions occurred or involved. Like this question comes, you have to follow a principle, n plus n by 4. The n place you have to substitute the value 50. Then if you substitute all the values, you will get 62.5. But here 0.5, half meiotic division never occurs in any cell. That whenever value like this comes 62.5, you have to consider 63 meiotic divisions. Next question, in a guava fruit, there are 600 seeds. How many meiotic divisions occur to develop fruit? Already they are given the total seeds, they are given 600 seeds. But here the total how many meiotic divisions occur to form total entire fruit? We have to calculate for formation of seeds meiotic divisions. Here also same principle you have to follow. Whatever principle followed for 9th question. N plus n by 4. N plus you have to substitute the value 600. 600 plus 600 by 4. If you will substitute values, you will get 750 meiotic divisions occurred to form 600 seeds. Ultimately the total entire converts into fruit. So this is total information about the different types of numerical questions which are given previous the national level competitive exams.